All right, we're searching for lithium rechargeable batteries today. Here's one, 1200 milliamp hour, Tenergy, a good brand. Come down here, EBL. Let's see, we've got 5400 milliwatt hour. That's not so bad. Come down, there's some non-rechargeable ones. There's another EBL. There's one more EBL. See, this one says 600 milliamp hour. All right, and we keep searching, and let's say there's another 1200. If we keep on searching, we'll get to some of these guys here. We'll search for it here, make it quicker. 6,800 milliamp hour. That's pretty amazing. Let's see, and we go down 6,800 milliamp hour. Yeah, these are probably all fake and not so good reviews, as you can see. This is probably a mismark from milliwatt hour. It's really important to know what the range is on these batteries, because there's a lot of fake ones. If you have some fake ones, or if you have one of these and would like to send them over, I'd love to test them. Thank you, and have a good rest of the day.